The GSB 192 REA Professional is the first professional impact drill with integrated dust extraction, so it's ideal for work in extremely dust-sensitive or furbished indoor areas. Due to its very high suction force, you can now work cleanly and virtually dust-free on tiles and masonry. The high power, 900 watts, allows effortless and above all very fast working. Thanks to its compact design, the GSB 192 REA Professional enables comfortable and clean working overhead. Experience for yourself the GSB 192 REA Professional, the first professional impact drill with integrated dust extraction.